I'm Sal Picone here, Paper Airplanes of America, and we're going to teach you how to make the condor. Your first step in making the condor is get a piece of computer paper. Now usually you'd make an airplane by folding it hot dog. This one, fold it hamburger. Take it, fold it in half. Just like this. Now that you have your piece of paper folded in half this way, you're going to need to fold down the corners. Doesn't matter which two corners you fold down, but make sure they're on the same side. This corner. And this corner. Now that your condor has both of its flaps down, you're going to want to fold this top down just like this. Show you where I mean. You want to fold it right to where the wings are folded down to. Like this. Now, after you folded that down, you're going to want to fold these in. Not too far, just a wing, like about ½ an inch. So you're going to want to fold both of those sides in. One. Now that you have your flaps folded in on your wings, you're going to want to fold your plane up just like this. Make sure all your creases are very tight too. Now, after you folded it up, you're going to want to fold the wings down. And you want to leave about an inch, 3/4 of an inch, so you can throw it. And make sure the wings are even too. Now, it should be perfect. And your final step, just let it rip. And that, you have the condor.